Good evening, students. You have learned about the date yesterday, right? Someone says that you will change the history, means तुम इतिहास को बदलने वालों में हो. But I am saying I will make the new history. हम इतिहास बदलने वालों में नहीं, इतिहास बनाने वालों में हैं. So इसी शायरी के साथ हम स्टार्ट करते हैं बायोलॉजी क्लासेज. Then topic is ours digestion and absorption. Yesterday we have learned a little bit about that, right? Let's start with the digestion. What is digestion? Yesterday also we have done what is digestion. In digestion in vertebrate occur in एलिमेंट्री कैनाल, राइट. जो डाइजेशन होता है वर्टिब्रेट्स का वो कहाँ पर होता है? एलिमेंट्री कैनाल्स के अंदर होता है, राइट. द प्रोसेस ऑफ डाइजेशन इंक्लूड फॉलोइंग पार्ट. Following part. First, very important, elementary canal. Elementary canal, right. Second one is digestive gland, right. Today we will discuss about elementary canal. How many parts in the elementary canal? Elementary canal divide into 3 parts on the basis of embryonic development. हम एलिमेंट्री कैनाल को 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड कर देते हैं. किस बेस पे? एम्ब्रियोनिक डेवलपमेंट के बेस पे, राइट. व्हाट आर दीज 3 पार्ट्स? First, foregut, midgut, and last one hindgut, right. Foregut include mouth, in which contain buccal cavity. Second, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, and small part of the intestine, or small part of the small intestine, that is the small part of duodenum, right, not completely duodenum. Then in midgut include 2 parts, small intestine and second one large intestine, right. And last, hindgut include only one, that is the anus, right. Means elementary canal को हम 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड कर देते हैं on the basis of embryonic development, foregut, midgut and hindgut. Foregut include mouth, pharynx, esophagus, and midgut include esophagus. So midgut includes small intestine and large intestine, and hindgut include the anus, right. Foregut derived from the ectoderm. ये ectoderm से बनती है. mesoderm से बनती है, and hindgut derived from the ectoderm again, right. Means no one derived from the endoderms. 3 है. I have discussed yesterday also. Ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Foregut derived from the ectoderm, midgut from the mesoderm, and hindgut again from the ectoderm, right. Then now we discuss about the foregut. If you have any doubts, students, you can ask by commenting on the comment section. You can ask any type of query from biology classes regarding biology classes or other topics of 11th and 12th class, any other zoology parts you can ask. Okay. Then foregut include first mouth. Yesterday we have discussed about the mouth. Lips are attached to the skull. Lips are attached to skull by frenulum. What is frenulum? Skeletal muscle, right? Then second one after mouth is, we are describe here first mouth, then vestibule. Very very important, vestibule. What is vestibule? The space between lips and gums. लिप्स और टीथ के बीच में जो स्पेस होता है दैट इज नोन एज द वेस्टिब्यूल, और वी कैन से अनदर स्पेस बिटवीन एंड स्पेस बिटवीन टीथ एंड चिक. मीन्स जो गाल और टीथ के बीच में जो स्पेस होता है उसको भी हम वेस्टिब्यूल बोल सकते हैं. व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ इट? वेस्टिब्यूल कंटेन mucus gland which secrete mucus, right? We have done alimentary canal of 3 parts: foregut, midgut and hindgut. Foregut include first mouth, then vestibule, and third part very very important, that is the buccopharyngeal cavity. Third is buccopharyngeal cavity. What is buccopharyngeal cavity? What is the function of it? We are describing here. First हो गया mouth, second vestibule, third buccopharyngeal. Buccopharyngeal cavity. It is lined by squamous epithelial tissue. Squamous epithelial tissue. Squamous epithelial tissue से बनी होती है buccopharyngeal cavity, right? It include following parts. जो buccopharyngeal cavity होती है इसमें बहुत सारे पार्ट्स होते हैं. फर्स्ट पार्ट का जो नेम है यहाँ पर आता है, फर्स्ट पार्ट that is first part of the buccopharyngeal cavity is fauces. What is fauces? A triangular shape या structure present between buccal cavity and pharynx. Means buccal cavity और pharynx के बीच में जो triangle shape का structure present होता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? fauces, right? Second, palatine part, palate, we can say palate. It is the roof of buccal cavity. Means जो upper side present to the buccal cavity का उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? palate, right? Then different types of the palate here present: hard, first hard, second soft, L1, ulva, and then